Sarah, what are you doing? Are you making yourself something to eat after school?
Yeah.
Okay, don't make a mess, okay?
Okay.
Sarah, are you making a mess?
No.
You're not? Look at that. What's that on the floor? Would you mind vacuuming, please? Oh, look at the cat's gonna eat the cheese. Just bring it over there and I'll show you what button. Press the red button there.
Kate.
No, he'll be fine. He'll just run away.
Kate, what red button?
The one on the ground, down there, yeah.
The whole way down?
Yeah. Sarah, thank you for cleaning up the mess with the new vacuum.
You're welcome.
You're going to clean up every day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does everyone hear that? She's going to clean up her mess every day. Thank you.